gonna look up Jersey Dance Song, chat. Jersey Dance Songs. Jersey Dance
One
Songs.
Shot donated $2 through Super Chat. Come on now, I have donated over 100 Notice Me Heart.
Bro, my boy. Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
Jaden donated
hey, chat, who said that, y'all? Who said that? Who said that?
through Super Chat.
What is this?
Bro, don't make ramen, make some bomb-ass steak or something.
I fuck with it. I fuck with it, chat.
Fairlane Verco donated $1 million.
It's an Oh, this shit ass, bro.
Hey, Deuce, you already know we the fucking best. Your dick round, fat body ass out of here. You already know you rockin' with your boy Fetty Huster RC, Mr. Bandit Hop. Let's move. And you are now in the beat with my man MC Vert. Let's get it.
Fuck with it.
JD donated $1.99 through Super Chat. JD donated 2,000.
I fuck with it, chat.
0.
Woo! Chat, we can get 30 to this, chat.
0.
Oh my god, chat, we can get 30 to this, y'all. Oh my fucking god, y'all.
0. $0.
What the fuck, bro? Oh my god, chat, we can get fucking 30 to that, chat.
This is not a thing anymore. Donated 99 cents through Super Chat.
Chat. We really can. We can get fucking 30 to that, chat. Oh god, we can, bro. We can get fucking dummy with that shit, bro. We can get fucking dummy, bro. We can get fucking dummy. We can pull fucking dummy, chat. We can pull fucking dummy, chat.
SMD donated $2 Canadian through Super Chat. Yo Speed, I run you and do a sleep stream a lil boy. Guiney Checo donated $1.99 through Super Chat.
Come on, Chad, look at me, man.
Guiney Checo donated $300
Come on,
through
Chad,
Super
look
Chat.
at me, bro. Like, I mean, like, Chad, this shit is way too fucking easy, my nigga. Chad, this shit is way too fucking
Teddy
easy,
Enos donated $1.99
hey, Chad, like, Chad, this shit
through
is way
Super
too fucking
Chat.
easy, bro.
Move cam near stove.
Wash your hands. You're not supposed to wash your hands when you're cooking food, y'all. You're not supposed to do that because it creates bacteria, okay? Washing your hands actually... Yeah,
Wi-Fi and lip gloss donated $1.99 through Super Chat.
Okay? You always
Play
chat.
GTA. Forget the food.
Alright. You chat. You always wash your hands when you're about to eat your food, okay, chat? You always wash your hands when you're about to eat
Mr.
your food, okay?
Beast donated 10,000 through Super Chat. Donated 99 cents through
fucking
Super
fake,
Chat.
That is chat. That is the fucking rule, chat. Wash it. Bro, no, bro. Yeah, I'm right, chat. You always wash your hands
and
when you're about to
Naruto
eat
better
the
than
food,
One
chat.
Piece.
So obviously, chat. So chat, what are we about to put in this, chat? I gotta let me know, chat, what to put in this, chat. What should we put in this, y'all? What should we put in here, y'all? Let me know. What should we put in here? Y'all gotta give me the fucking ingredients, bro. What should we put in here, okay?
Fairlane Verco donated 5 New
ingredients,
Zealand
y'all.
dollars through Super
in
Chat. You're the Og.
Hey, be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Start that crime. Be quiet. What should we put in there, y'all? Hot dog, egg, yeah, egg. You right. You gotta put an egg in there.
Lester donated $2 through Super Chat.
Put some fucking egg
Speed,
in
we don't care. Like we don't give a shit.
Nobody gives a fuck about your fucking...
Woots donated $4.99 through Super Chat. Chat spam L Chef in the chat.
Oh, chat, y'all don't get how fucking angry that gets me, bro. When niggas say we don't care, like, bitch, shut the fuck up, bro. Shut up, nigga. You know what else,
Joker
bro?
donated
$1.99
through Super Chat. First time and he cooked some steak.
Yeah, you gotta put a hot dog in there. You're right, you gotta put a hot dog in there. Put a hot dog in there. Y'all see, look, y'all getting the move, y'all getting the wave.
Brett the Saiyan donated $2 through Super Chat. Can you say what's up, Calvin?
Shit. Hot dog, egg, we got the egg. The noodles, we gotta put the noodles in there, right?
Thanks for being my favorite Indian streamer.
Thank you, man. Appreciate that, bro. Where's Flash? Oh, he's over there. Hey, Chad, y'all want to see Flash, y'all?
Friendsified donated 99 cents through Super Chat.
Yeah, season. Yeah. Put the noodles in here, Chad. Okay. See, look, y'all getting the woo, y'all getting the wave, y'all getting the wave. But look, Chad, this is what we all got here right now, y'all.
Coco donated $2 through Super Chat. God bless you, Speed. You are my favorite streamer.
Yes, sir, my boy. Okay, so chat, we got ramen noodles, hot dog, and an egg in there. Okay, chat. What else are we putting there? I'm gonna get in there. All right, come here.
Niv Can Do donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Speed Ima need a kiss throwing kisses.
He's right here. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Seasoning. What kind of
Tyshawn
seasoning?
donated 99
Mustard,
cents through Super Chat.
Seasoning. Oh my god. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, yeah, tell your motherfucking ass. Get your ass there. Hey, hey, hey.
Noodles are easy. Do something that takes skill. Make a cake or
Tell what
cookie.
kind of seasoning, y'all?
For best results on steak, cook it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Don't burn down your kitchen because you've probably never cooked food in your life.
Shut the bro.
New
Nigga,
ass
I'm a
5'8" midget
Yo, bro,
nerd.
you gotta understand, bro. I do this shit for a fucking living, buddy. Alright, Chad, this is black ground pepper, Chad. Do we need pepper in there, y'all? Pepper, right? We need pepper. Let me close this. Pepper, right? We need pepper? Yeah, pepper. Alright, come on. You ready?
MRHM donated £2
You
through
hungry?
Super Chat. Notice me bent.
Yo, Chad, is it okay to feed your dog chicken? Chad, is it okay to feed your dog chicken? Huh? Is it okay to feed your dog chicken?
Taylor
chicken?
Hamilton donated $1.99 through Super Chat. I wore your merch to school and I got bullied.
Oh, I'm sorry. That just killed my vibe. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I'm so sorry about that. Hey, let me know. Oh, yes, it's
Tyshawn
cool.
donated $1.99
Bro, whoever's bullying, bro, let me
through
know, bro,
Super
so I can
Chat.
beat their ass, bro. You
Yo
gotta tell me,
Speed
though.
play Hot
On some
Sauce
other
Jersey
shit.
Club.
Hot Sauce Jersey Club? What's that Hot Sauce Jersey Club? I'm about to look it up right now. Hot Sauce Jersey Club.
Ninja donated $6 Canadian
Hot Sauce Jersey
99
Club.
cents through Super Chat.
Here we go, right here.
Ninja donated $10,000 through
Here we go,
Super
right
Chat.
here.
You
Chicken?
wonder why?
Chicken?
Get homework help with the Google app for iPhone. Just open your...
Ava's Butt Juice donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Dude, how did I taste?
Yo, Smalls, turn up for me, bro.
Nip Can Do donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Neat looking juicy.
Don't stand it!
Vaughn donated 99 cents through Super
Don't
Chat.
stand it! Yo, Chad, can I feed him this chicken, y'all? I want to feed him this chicken, bro. I want to feed him the chicken. 'cause he's
GMN
hungry.
Tricks
Chad,
donated
is chicken
99
cool, y'all?
cents through Super Chat.
Oh shit, this shit boiling. Fuck, we gotta put some more shit in there. Alright, let's put, what about this, y'all? Is this okay?
Mr. Beast donated 10,000 through
Oh, it's
Super
cool?
Chat. Donated 99 cents through Super Chat.
No, Chad, you know what she do, y'all? To build our bond, he should eat it out my mouth, y'all. Oh shit, fuck. Yo, I just spilled it. Please don't. get this.
SMD donated $2 Canadian dollars through Super
To
Chat.
build our bond.
Speed I run you are a lil boy
Chad, this is what love do, y'all, to build a strong
Dollar Tuna 1K donated $1 through Super Chat.
Hey, yo, bro.
TBH underscore I am a sellout donated $4.99 through Super Chat. Put cum in the food and dingleberries freshly picked from Daaz. It's a joke donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Speed played GTA RP again also you exposed mom face.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, good boy.
XX King XX underscore minus 831 donated $1.99
Spin up
through
the,
Super
hey, Chad,
Chat.
spin up the good boy in the chat,
What's
y'all.
up, Speed? Hope you
Spin
have
up
a
the good boy in the
stream.
chat, y'all. Spin up the good boy in the chat, okay? Spin up the good boy in the chat. Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. Good
Chase
boy, good
Games
boy.
donated $1.99
Alright, Chad, what about-
through Super Chat.
Hey, Chad, it's boiling now, y'all.
Think you
I
don't
think it's
know
about
how to
time,
cook.
y'all. It's boiling, okay? So I think it's time for some, Cajun season, okay? Cajun season.
Teddy
Now, ready?
Enos donated $4.99
Cajun
through
season.
Super Chat. My grandpa giving yo aunt that steak in heaven blue and we don't care.
Cajun season cool? Alright, bet.
She hates Marcos OTF donated $4.99 through Super Chat. Speed who cares?
Alright, we got that. What else should we put in here? Fuck, what should we put in
Civic
here?
donated
No,
$5
don't leak that.
Canadian
No, don't leak
dollars
that. Watch
through
out.
Super Chat.
No, let me clean
Bro,
it.
you
Watch out,
said
watch out.
10 for FB on IG.
Watch out,
I
watch out,
said
watch out.
then
Don't
you
lick that. Do not lick
ignored
that.
last stream
Don't lick that.
ACXX
Don't lick
my
that.
IG.
Don't lick that. Don't lick that. Calm down. Do not lick that. Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Army
watch out.
donated 99 cents
Watch out,
through
watch out.
Super Chat.
Move, 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 move. Watch out, watch out. Don't lick that. Watch out, come on. Come on. Hey. Watch out. Don't lick that. Don't lick that. Don't lick that. Don't lick that. I'll spill something on the ground, Chad. I want him to lick it.
Jonathan Junkin donated $2
Honestly,
Canadian
dog's gonna
dollars
be
and
fucking
79
seasoned.
cents through Super Chat. Play GTA you goof.
Don't you lick that. I'll take your ass. Don't lick it.
Rain Sleep Vez donated $1 through Super Chat.
You okay? Yo, watch out, watch out. Why are you so hungry?
Lil Cam donated
All right, Chad, come on.
$1 through
All right.
Super Chat.
Your dog is cute, bro. Thank you so much, man. I love Flash, man. All right, yo, we gotta get the fork now. Gotta get the fork. Where the forks?
LKUE_03 donated $4.99 through
Ready?
Super Chat.
Yo, Chad, how long does an egg take to get on board? Chad, how long does
Lil
an egg
Dave
take to
donated
get bored, y'all?
$1.99 through Super Chat. Speed bark bark.
How long does it take?
I Love Maury donated $1.99 through Super Chat.
Bro, I see niggas saying
Speed
2 hours,
Tuesday
10 minutes,
FRJA
15 minutes,
Maury
8
on
minutes, bro.
top. Saggy Souls donated $2 through Super Chat. They spam in your address.
Oh. Shit. Chad, I think it's bored, y'all. Chad, is this bored?
Bread the Saiyan donated $2 through Super Chat. With
Fuck.
sup black boy hoo hoo ha
I'll
ha.
call him your black boy, bro. Is it bored, Chad? I don't know, y'all. I can't really tell. Yes, it is.
E.
Alright, bet.
Inocenti donated $1.99 through Super Chat. We don't care, black boy, black boy.
Stop calling me a fucking black gay man, bro. I'm not fucking black, bro. Damn.
Kasha donated $2
Yeah,
through
it's bored,
Super
it's bored,
Chat.
it's bored, it's bored,
Black
it's bored.
boy L L L L L
Yo,
L L
chill.
L L L
Oh.
L L L L L L L L L L L L L L.
Shit, burn.
Monkey__troller24 donated $4.99 through Super Chat. Thank you, Speed, for being a huge inspiration. I love you, bro.
Thank you.
Speed gang for life.
Speaking for life, man. Thank you so much, bro. Bro, that shit hurt, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I think I fucked up the
Dripsy
game.
FN donated $1.99 through
the game,
Super
bro.
Chat. Can you say open your eyes, Alex?
Open your eyes, Alex. Open your eyes, bro. I think I fucked up the thing, Chad. Alright, Chad. The finishing. Now we gotta add our toppings, y'all. But, Chad, we basically have our dish right here. I probably really can't.
Khalil Grays donated
It has
$1.99
egg,
through Super
noodles,
Chat.
hot dog in
Speed,
there.
you make me happy every day. Love you, man.
We got the hot dog in there, looking a little fresh. Woo. So, Chad, we
Rain
still gotta add our
Sweet
toppings,
Vez
y'all.
donated $1 through
We got
Super
the hot
Chat.
dog, egg, and ramen noodles, okay? Are y'all ready to, get right? Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready, bro? We just gotta put the shit on there now, bro.
Avis
Just calm, bro.
Butt
Trust the
Juice
fucking
donated
process.
$1.99
See, look, hey, look, bro.
through
That's our
Super
fucking
Chat.
problem. You feel me?
Speed, how did I taste? Do you remember?
That's our fucking problem. Y'all don't like the trust process, bro. Bro, check. Like I said, I grew up in the deep, bro. We eat ramen noodles every
Sooner
fucking
donated
day.
$1.99 through Super Chat. Speed, we don't care, black boy, like we don't care.
Bro, my nigga. Bro, I know I'm black, bro. I know I'm a... Oh! Just call me a nigger at this point.
Twerk for
Just
me,
call me.
daddy.
Call me it at this, because it's pissing me off. Just call me it. Damn. Like, fuck at this point, bro. What the fuck? Flesh.
Your gay Speed, GAYYYYY.
There we go.
Ninja donated $2,000 through Super Chat. Donated 99 Canadian cents through Super Chat. PP Stain donated $2 Canadian and 79 cents through Super Chat.
Burn, bro.
We do not care. Bengals are trash.
Oh my god, man. I'm about to realize, bro. Whoever say we do not care in my chat, bro, I'm gonna let you know something, bro.
Ishowdit donated $1 through Super Chat.
I think that's cool. Alright, so let's put it in there. Let's mix it together.
Vicky donated $1.99 through Super
bro, I
Chat.
can't lie. This
Hey
look good
Speed,
as
how
fuck.
was your day?
The egg yolk and the goddamn hot dog in that bitch, bro. Y'all tripping, bro. I'm telling y'all, ain't the season in here, bro. That ass chat. That ass chat. Hot dog seasoning. Wait. Hot dog, egg yolk, noodles. Hey, wait.
Gears donated 99 cents
fuck with
through
it.
Super Chat.
What? It's not nasty, bro. Bro, Che, y'all weak. So, Che, y'all telling me noodles nasty, bro? Y'all saying, hold on, wait.
Ripsy
So, y'all
Fido
basically saying
FN
noodles are nasty,
donated
Che.
$1.99 through
Noodles
Super
are
Chat.
nasty?
Can
Noodles
you
are
say,
nasty?
Alex, open your eyes, big boy?
Really? I'm about the eggs flash, bro.
Drayton Swoop donated 99 cents through Super Chat.
Wait. You want to taste?
Ghost Dark Rider donated $1.99 through Super Chat. My Mods Speed Buddha be whippin' in the kitchen fire.
Hey, Che, I'm such a good, like on some real shit, bro. And you really think about it, bro?
Kaylee Anderson donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Speed goin' to his dog like Shane with his cat.
Wait, time out. It's hot. Watch out, it's hot. I don't want to spill on you. Watch out, it's hot. It's hot.
Why yo dog look like Mario Judah? If he had problems, also take off your rainbow shorts and put on your John Cena jorts so you chalk slam your dog into the boiling pot and cook the stream some bulldog dinga dingalingaling dinga
fuck?
dinga
Yo, bro,
dingalingaling
chill, bro.
LLLLL.
No. Chad, what
Lil
the
Cam
fuck is wrong
donated
with y'all?
99
I'm trying to
cents
feed
through
my
Super
fucking
Chat.
dog here. What the fuck is wrong with y'all, bro? Chill the fuck out.
Cam donated $1,000 through Super Chat.
Yo!
Donated 99 cents through Super Chat.
Shit.
Marco Missa donated
Alright, so here
$2
we go.
Canadian and 79 cents through Super Chat. Yo Speed, can you say what's up, Marco?
So I'll take
All
the bite
love.
first, bro. I should probably take the bite first, bro. Okay? Fuck it,
Say
let me
is
see how it
best
tastes, alright?
donated
Oh, I didn't put the seasoning in here yet. I'm
$4.99
tripping.
through Super Chat.
I'm tripping.
Don't put chicken in yo mouth, bruh. You gon' get salmonella. Wash yo mouth.
I'm tripping. You gotta put the seasoning in.
Kristen Joaquin Archiniga donated $2 through Super Chat. Don't feed him chicken if it has bones they'll break.
Hey, it was, bro. It didn't have bones in it, buddy. It didn't have bones in it. I know about dogs, bro. It didn't have no bones in it. I know Bones calls the
Random donated $2.79 through Super Chat. Is you and Dream still a thing, bro? Real talk.
Fuck no, bro. Bro, chat, I wish I could. Nah, I ain't even gonna say that. Bro.
U.S. Rape in Quotes donated $4.99 through
I'm gonna
Super
give out
Chat.
hit the whole time I cheated.
Can you say Max needs detention in a loud voice?
Alright, chat, I'm about to take the bite, y'all. I think I'll be the first person to take a bite. Y'all ready, bro?
Young Barletta donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Speed, I got a question. How did Dream taste, Blackie?
Wow, bro, why do y'all have to always call me a Blackie? Like, bro, y'all can't just say Speed, bro. Like, bro, y'all can't say Speed.
Cam donated $1,000 through Super Chat.
Let me try
Donated
first.
$1.99 through Super Chat. True Pain HD donated $1.99 through Super Chat.
It's good.
You amazing, keep up the grind, hope the food good.
Chat, this is good. Chat, this is good.
ABC 123,123 donated $2.79 through Super Chat. Black Boy Mon Key LLLLLLLLLLLLLLL.
Chat, this is actually good. Like, no bullshit.
Yo Speed, I am Og, and I really would love if you follow me. Speed, I just want to get noticed. Thank you so much if you see this.
I think I'll probably hold off on the bro. Yeah, chat, it's good, chat. I ain't gonna lie, like real shit, it's actually good, bro. Chat, this is actually good. No bullshit, bro. This is good, man. I say it's probably had to be my top three food cooking, because chat, I'm a very
Lil Cam donated
$1.99
through Super Chat.
Like that ass though, on some real
Speed
shit.
built like AMIB Roach
I'm about to get Flash some, okay, y'all?
LLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLL Blitz
chat.
Darren
Y'all know the
Hall
reason why I like
donated
Flash so much, bro?
$1.99
'Cause he's
for
not
super
going anywhere,
chat.
bro.
Dab.
You feel me? Like, everybody else is just temporary. Like, he can't go nowhere, you feel me? And if he do go anywhere, he not going nowhere. You know what I'm saying, chat? That's why I like Flash so much, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, he's not
Cam
going
donated
nowhere.
$1,000 through
Like, you feel
super
me?
chat.
Like, for
Donated
example, like, girls and shit,
$1.99
they
through
leave, man.
super
That's why I like
chat.
Flash so much, bro.
Hi.
And you feel me? And we don't have nobody to talk to. He's all.
Vicky donated
Your ass
$1.99
back.
through super chat.
Yeah,
About
but like,
6 minutes to cook, but how are you feeling, Speed?
Alright, John. Let me give you a bite, buddy. You ready? I don't want to make
Why
it
do
hot,
people
though.
buy a dog like that? It's ugly as fuck. Sorry for being too honest.
Bro,
Do people buy them for the personality or what?
Bro, you just call my fucking dog ugly, bro? What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? Chad, bro, what the fuck is wrong with him, bro?
CUFPS
What's wrong with
donated
that bitch, bro?
$1.99
Man,
through super chat.
Ooh, I wanna, oh,
Hey,
bro, you
daddy,
so
bark
fuck,
for me.
Bro, on some real shit, you just call my fucking dog ugly, bro. What the fuck is, man? Dog. Man.
Monkey _ troller 24 donated $1.99 through super chat.
Come on, Bruno.
Speed gang.
Come here. Wait.
Kobe Prentice donated $1.99 through super chat. 10 minutes and put in cold water for a couple min.
Wait.
Robert X Pro donated $1 through super
He
chat.
not just. Hey, but hey. Sit. Calm down. Yo, check. Can you feed your dog hot food, y'all?
Jokeman
Can you check?
donated
Can you feed
$2
your dog,
through super
hot
chat.
food?
Eggs usually take
Nope.
like 10 minutes to boil.
You can't. I'm trying to make it like as cool as that is.
IShowBands donated $1.99 through super chat.
You can't. I know. That's why I'm waiting for the cool down. I'm gonna sit right here, okay?
Donated $2 through super chat. Man, play some GTA RP, man. You da funny AF on that.
GTRP? Should I hop on GTRP? What's the more? All right, Chad. I'm gonna set it right here. Okay. I'm gonna set it right here. Right here. Okay. I'm gonna set the shit right there. Let it cool down. So we gotta let it cool down. We gotta probably turn the fan on. You know. Let that shit cool down. Let that shit cool down. Let that shit cool down. You gotta let that
Honey
shit cool down.
Smoke 1274420 donated $1.99 through Super Chat.
Eat that shit.
Fake videos gay for views. Jonathan Junkin donated $2.79 through Super Chat. Black gay man woman police officer dark skin tone 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 woman police officer dark skin
So what
tone.
about the hot dog, y'all? What about the hot dog, bro? I've never
Y'all
seen.
ugly tears of joy
I ain't gonna lie,
tears
Chad,
of joy
probably a hot
donated
dog, though, to be
$2
honest,
through
bro.
Super
Probably a hot
Chat.
dog.
Bark for us.
Probably a hot dog. Chad. What about a hot dog, okay? What about a hot dog, okay? Hot dog. I never seen a fucking.
Yo
Yeah.
Boy Kermit donated
Probably a hot dog, y'all.
$1.99
Yeah.
through Super Chat.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Zed
See,
donated
train. Right, I train my-
$1.99
oh,
through
look.
Super Chat.
Watch this.
Crazy how PPL think they funny off saying black boy deadpan face.
You see that shit? Hey, chat. Hey, come on. Hey, hey. Come on now, chat. Hey, chat, spread the dubs in the chat, bro. Spread up the goddamn dubs in the chat,
donated
bro.
$1.99
bro.
through Super Chat.
Come on now.
Speed, can you cash app me? It's thanks some or someone.
Hey, sit, boy. Sit. Ready? Wait.
Speed, thank you so much for being a huge inspiration. You're the best streamer ever.
Thank you, my man.
Speed Gang for life.
Yes, sir.
Speed
Ready?
Gang best streamer.
Yes,
Just
sir.
fucking kidding, you are a fucking clown and you can't cook for shit. You put a hot dog in noodles, you are fucking stupid.
Fuck is wrong with you, nigga? Fuck is wrong with you, dog?
L stream, L dog, L speed, L food, L ant, L shorts, anti dead as hell. Black boy, black boy, black boy, black boy, black boy, black boy, gay boy, gay boy, gay boy, gay boy, gay boy, gay
Bro, I'm
boy,
about to
gay
end
boy,
this
gay
stream,
boy,
bro.
gay boy. Ava as a dude, she sent me dick pics. Gay boy, gay boy, gay.
Bro, I'm about to end this stream. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all niggas tripping, bro. Chill out, bro. Chill the fuck out, bro. Chill out, bro. What the fuck is wrong with y'all, bro? Chill the fuck out, bro. What's wrong with y'all, bro? Y'all niggas tripping, bro.
Teddy Enos donated $4.99
Like, bro, what the fuck?
through
Like, bro,
Super
like,
Chat.
nah. Who the fuck
I hope
don't-
your dog ends up like your aunt, then my grandpa gonna be have a threesome.
Oh my god, what is wrong with y'all? Yo, are y'all like dead ass serious, bro?
Fife donated $1.99
Like, serious, bro?
through Super Chat.
Like for real?
You the goat Speed. Can you tilt the camera?
What you mean tilted, bro?
Big Fat Porch Monkey Speed Black Man donated 99 cents through Super
Man,
Chat.
bro, y'all about to end this shit. Y'all tripping, bro. Y'all starting to chill now, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all starting to trip out. Y'all starting to chill, bro. Starting to chill. I call him my dog, ugly man.
Wi-Fi and Lip Gloss donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Play GTA or I'll unalive myself right now. Bread the Saiyan donated $2 through Super Chat. Speed your food as gross throw that BIH out monk.
Bro, my nigga. Hey, get the ass, man. Cause they honestly, bro, y'all are being very mean to me and the dog right here. You know what I'm saying?
Cliff
chat?
Darrenville donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Hey Speed Bark.
Say, hey, hey, yes. You okay, boy?
Hey Speed, I really love watching you on YouTube. Can you please follow me on Insta, please? Speed, if you hear this, I want to let you know, don't give up and stay strong.
Thank you, my boy. Thank you. You alright? You okay? You okay?
Juan
Calm down.
Montanez donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Would you play GTA 5 RP with Aiden Ross?
You will never like to play, bro.
Yo Boy Kermit donated $1.99 through Super Chat.
Somebody called it a depressed dog. You know what, bro? Y'all actually making me. You know what? Yeah, I'm about to end this shit because y'all actually being fucked up, bro. Y'all are being actually fucked up, bro. Ugh.
Mr. Beast donated 10,000 through Super Chat. Donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Speed, I love you. Heart, 2 hearts, 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 heart, 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 heart.
What are y'all talking about, bro? Okay, you want some more?
Yo, Speed, I think you should react to songs on your live. Love you, Speed Gang. Play some KFLOCJ2.
What is that? What is KFOCJ2? Alright, chat, I think that makes up the cook. This is the final result, you know what I'm saying, chat? Seems like Flash liked it. I liked it too. It was a great, you know what I'm saying? It was a great fucking, you know, it was a great cook, you know what I'm saying, chat? The food, don't end. I'm not going to end. I'm not going to end. Calm down,
ABC
bro.
123,123 donated $2 Canadian and 79 cents through Super Chat. Black Boy Mon Key Bark LLLLLLLLLLLLLL.
That's it. You know what I'm saying? That's it. That's it. Stop.
Black Thief donated $2 through Super Chat.
Just stop.
You Blackie Black Boy Black Boy.
And you don't even give a fuck. Like, you ain't even saying shit back too, bro. Come on, bro. You messed up, bro.
Q-Tipped on IG donated $1.99 through Super Chat.
You gotta say something back.
You're such an inspirational Nick Kerr.
Yeah. Let me get some water. Let's get some water, bro.
Eric Minifield donated $5 through Super Chat. Can you say Desmond is cool? Ninja donated $2,000 through Super Chat. Donated $2 Canadian and 79 cents through Super Chat. L L L L L L L L L L L L L L L L L L L L L L L.
One house tour.
Mari _ World donated 99 cents through Super Chat.
Alright, come on. I'm about to give y'all my little house tour, okay? Let me give y'all my little house tour, okay? Let me show y'all my... Oops, no, I don't want to leak nothing.
That Boy Rocky donated $1.99 through Super Chat. W.
I don't want to leak nothing. I never showed y'all my house. Hold up.
Ray Dundaddy donated $10 through Super Chat. Sup Speed. Don't listen to the trolls. Keep doing you, bro. Hope the cooking stream turns out well.
Alright, Chad, this is right here is
FNX Sax donated $1 through Super Chat.
Alright, yep, here, alright, Chad. Alright, Chad, what's good with y'all, man? This is right here is my kitchen. Back there is the
Ace
what is
Pepper
that again?
donated
$1.99
through Super
called?
Chat.
Forgot what that shit called. A dining room. Yup, that's the dining room. This is the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? That's the kitchen, dining room. Let me take out more far from here.
Eric Mack donated $1.99 through Super Chat. They say they don't care but still watch you.
Alright, Chad. Then we go in here. Wait, my fault. I got you. Calm down. I got you.
Yulri donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Can you say Yulri is the best Fortnite player, YK?
Oh shit, my PC running low. Oh my laptop about to go dead. Oh wait, Chad, my laptop about to go dead. So let me show you real quick.
Khalil Scott donated $1 through Super Chat.
Go upstairs. Oh, fuck, please, Chad. Don't please, I seen that. Don't tell me I seen that.
TBH _ I am a sellout donated $4.99 through Super Chat.
Oh my god.
Speed looks like African immigrant used to survive on mushrooms and beetles back in his village.
I'm leaking shit, bro. I'm leaking shit. I might have just ended the stream. I ain't gonna lie to y'all.
Ava's Butt Juice donated $1.99 through Super Chat.
Real quick.
Bro, Speed, why did you slap Ava's cake so hard, bro?
Because I wanted to. Alright, chat, this is my living room. It might be a little dirty, you know. Then upstairs. Alright,
Geo donated
This is
$1.99
Flash Room.
through
I'm
Super
gonna show y'all
Chat.
Flash Room
The
now.
best Jersey song is my Humps J Broadway remix.
I'm gonna show y'all Flash Room now, okay? Y'all ready for Flash Room? This is Flash Room. Let's go Flash, you feel me? That is
Cruz Lee
one of my
donated
bathroom
$2 through
right there.
Super Chat.
Go down
You're
there.
actually the best cooker, dude.
Going down there is the basement. That's the basement, chat. Then when you go in
Nager,
here,
Nager, Nager, Nager.
Hey,
donated
hey,
99 cents through
hey.
Super Chat.
Ted, this is the you know, this is my like the little side. Like it's a little Flash room. It's Cage right there. He roams in there. You know, feel me? Like half and half in there. He just
Josh
roams
Noel
in there
donated
half and half.
$4.99 through Super Chat.
IP.
You told me to DM you on Instagram and you never read it. I became a tier 2
Bro,
follower
you gotta.
the other day.
I said Twitter, and tell me you're a tier 2. You gotta do it on Twitter, bro. Not
Vicky
on.
donated
do it on Twitter. Don't do it on what you
$1.99
call
through
it. Do it on
Super
Twitter, bro.
Chat.
Do it on
Speed,
Twitter.
you need a Twitch so I can be a mod. Peels.
Alright, let me show y'all more. Alright, y'all ready? I'm gonna tell y'all more, okay? Let me have a little quick house tour.
Let me
ready?
eat the fat ass black boy.
Yo, hey, yo. We go in here. Like I said, living room. Obviously, the living room. Obviously. You saw your IP.
Scoopy Doo Shorts, by the way, follow the Twitch Little Rebachile
My
69.
What? What are y'all talking about? My IP got leaked? Wait, what? Chat, my
Drenamina
IP got
donated
leaked?
$2 through Super Chat. Speed, I love your videos. You inspire me, black boy.
Yo. Deadass?